Today we are going to talk about unit rates. Before we get there, we need to know what a ratio is. Make sure that you are taking notes on this. So a ratio, really quick, just to jog your memory back from way back when you were in 6th grade, a ratio is a way to compare numbers. They are written in 3 different ways. They are written, so if I'm comparing 2 to 3, that is one way to do it. Another way would be 2 to 3, and finally we can do 2 to 3. These are ratios. So now, what is a unit rate? And a unit rate is going to be when we a unit rate is when our comparison, so let's go back to our 2 to 3, we turn the denominator to 1. Denominator is 1. That is a unit rate. So in this one, we would turn from 2/3, we would turn this into 1. How would we get that? We would divide by 3, so we'd get 0.6 over 1. Anyway, that's a bad example. But let's go through some easier examples now. So we have done what a ratio is. It's a way to compare numbers. We have the 3 ways that we write ratios. A as a fraction, 2 over 3, with a colon, 2 to 3, or with the word 2, 2 to 3. They're all read as 2 to 3, and they are comparing numbers. So let's get back to this unit rate. So one way that we use them a lot is in something like miles per hour. And that word per is going to be key to knowing that we have a ratio or a rate. Miles per hour. Now, never have I seen a speed limit sign that says 40 miles per 2 hours. That's not how the speedometer in my car goes. That's not how the street signs are. So what we would need to do here is figure out how many miles do we need to go in 1 hour. We want our denominator to be 1. And this, then, is our unit rate. So the way we're going to do this is there's plenty of ways we could do cross products. This one's going to be pretty simple if we just figure out how we got from 2 to 1. How do you get from 2 to 1? Pretty straightforward. You divide that by 2. Anything you do to the bottom of a fraction, you have to do to the top of a fraction. So 40 divided by 2 is going to be 20 miles. And we call that per hour, 20 miles per hour. Something else we might do would be dollars per candy bar, something like that at the store. You know, if you want to buy 3 candy bars and they come in packs of 5, you're going to split them with friends. You're going to need to figure out what it is per candy bar. So we can go through one more example here. Let's say that it is $1.26 for 3 candy bars. I can't spell. All right, $1.26 for 3 candy bars. You're going to go in with friends and buy this. So what you're going to need to do is write the unit rate. 1.26 for 3 candy bars. What I need to do is I want to know, I'm going to go in with my friends, and I want to know what is it for 1 bar. If that's all I'm paying, what is it going to be? So how did I get from 3 to 1? Well, I divided by 3. If you do something to the bottom of a fraction, you need to do something to the top of a fraction. So this is going to be, if we put this in our calculators or do it, it's going to be 42 cents per bar. This is a unit rate. Bear with me while I try to find the stop button. go. Uh-huh. Oh boy. All right.
Stop.
No. I don't know how to stop it.
Input